Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Need your Huntington routing number and not sure where to find it? No worries, I got you covered. Let's break it down real quick. A routing number is a 9-digit code that identifies your bank. You will need it for stuff like setting up direct deposit, making ACH transfers, linking your account to PayPal, Venmo or other apps, and even for sending wire transfers. Okay, let's pull up the Huntington mobile app and walk through it step by step. First, open the app and log in with your credentials. Now, tap on the account you want the routing number for, like your checking or savings. Then go to the Summary tab. It's usually one of the first thing you will see. From here, hit account number and more, and boom, you will see your routing number, account number, and some other useful details. And just like that, you've got everything you need for your next deposit or transfers. Hope that helped. Drop a like if it did, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick banking how-tos.